Welcome back to Your Hobby Connection. Today on the channel, we will see the 493 making her final run up to Silverton. Today was the last day that the 493 could run before having to go into her 1492 FRA required inspection. The guys and gals at the Durango and Silverton shops will be getting her back on the main line as fast as possible. Now, at the beginning of this video, we heard the engine approaching the crossing at 34th Street. Once she gets past the 34th Street, she begins to make a slight climb up the grade as she approaches the 36th Street. Where we're taking this video at is about 200 feet south of the 36th Street. Here we pick up the engine once again. The area that is being shot at is just below the siding switches of Pinkerton's siding. This is the last day for the 493 to stretch her legs as she thunders up the grade. The FRA actually gave the engine a 30-day extension at the request of the Durango shops. There are some rumors that the 493 might have a sister engine, the 498, being restored soon as well. There are a lot of moving parts and no one is certain what will end up happening. As you hear in the distance, the 493 is thundering up the grade, full power. Once again pick up the train at the last crossing before we reach Rockwood. And across from the train is a private lake called Shaloma Lake. Now, this is the last highway crossing until we hit Silverton.